So in this video we are going to see about AJS with HTML. So as you know, we are creating the program with the help of HTML, as well as we are saving the program or the scripting language as .html, and we are running or executing the scripting with the help of the browser. So you must know we are using AngularJS with HTML, right? So the steps we are following to run the AngularJS with the help of HTML is been explained here, right? So the JavaScript framework that allows you to build the dynamic as well as the interactive web application to use AngularJS with HTML. So we are using the source file here, right? So you can see here in the scripting language, script space src. So src means source, where we are using the AngularJS library, right? So we are using the version called as 1.8.2, as well as we are using the library called as angular.min.js, right? So we are connecting with the help of ajax.googleapps.com. Okay, so this will be referring to the library of Ajax, right? So creating an AngularJS application is done with the help of HTML. We need to define the AngularJS application. So you can very well know we are using the HTML element like HTML body tag, etc., right? So we are adding these things with the help of ng app directive to the HTML element, right? So the element will serve as the root for each and every AngularJS application. So in this slide you are seeing the example for that. HTML ng app is equal to my app. So the application name of the application is what? My app, right? So you need to define the application module in JavaScript here, right? So defining the AngularJS module, okay, is done with the help of angular.module function, right? So this module will hold the component, and the component includes what? The controller, directive, services of each and every application. So you can see here, defining an AngularJS module is named with the help of my app, and I am using an empty space there, right? So this will be achieved by means of angular.module. So we have created the module named my app with an empty array, and that is used for what? Dependency. So module as dependency, if needed we can use that. So we are using the controller, which is responsible for managing the application as application which contains the data as well as the behavior, that means the properties, right? So this define the controller using what? App.controller method of, right? So you can see here in this example, app.controller, the name of the controller is my controller, and function contains the argument called as scope, right? The scope is used as an object. So scope.message is equal to hello, comma, AngularJS, right? So we are going to print the message called as what? Hello, AngularJS. So this controller assigns a message to the scope object, which can be accessed with the help of a HTML. So this can be achieved with the help of binding data. So the binding data by means of ng controller has ng controller directive can be achieved with the help of what? Double curly braces. So you can see in this example I am using message there, right? So the message which is been printed there, okay, which is been shown there, will be binded here, right? So two-way binding can be done. So hello AngularJS will be printed on the web page with the help of what? Binding, right? So this is achieved with the help of what? Curly braces. So how to run an application? So we are making sure that the web server is running, and we are opening the HTML file in what? Web browser, right? So the AngularJS will handle the binding, updating the data, creating the interactive experience for each and every user. So up and down we are using the HTML with AngularJS in order to run an AngularJS scripting language, right? So that's all for today's video. Thank you.